Hello, welcome back to my channel Lomzy Sews. Today I'm going to walk you through how I made this corset for my client. If that's what you would like to see, make sure not to skip any part of this video because it's going to be short and brief. If this is your first time coming across my channel, remember to subscribe and turn on your notification bell icon. So this is the pattern I'm going to use. I've cut out the corset cups because it's going to have a cups. I've already gone ahead and removed the stones. There's a lot of not stones, pearls actually. There is a lot of it. I made a tutorial on how I removed this. Maybe I'll have to drop that in the description section. So as you can see, I have added interfacing to the cups. So make sure you remove this so that you will not even hit anything on your eye. So as you can see, I interface this with hairstay and I'm going to join the pieces, and this is what I have for the illusion mesh in front. So after joining the cups, I'm going to go ahead and join the cups to the bodies. So for the bodies, it's two pieces. I cut two pieces for the bodies, and then I'm going to attach the illusion mesh. So let me do it one after the other. So this is the cups after sewing it. As you can see, I've not added anything, just the hairstay I added to it when I was making it. Make sure you use your bust ham to iron your cups. So next I'm going to go ahead and attach this to the bodies. As you can see, it is two pieces because we're going to be adding illusion mesh in front for the deep v-neck. So I'll go ahead and do that and show you the next thing. This, and also for the lining piece, I've added boning channels, but I'm not going to be adding boning channels to it now. So I'm going to also do the same thing for the lining. As you can see, that's the cups. I've not added anything. It's just the hairstay that I have added, and I properly ironed it. So I'll attach them and show you the next thing to do. This is it after I was done sewing it. You can see how it is. Make sure you neatly sew your cups. So this is my lining piece. The only place I've added boning is just in front here. I've not added the rest. So as you can see, I've not added anything. It's just this. So I'm going to insert this bra cup into it. Can you see this bra cup? You're going to insert it into it like that. That's the only thing I'm going to use. That's the only thing I'm going to use. But first of all, I'm going to turn the neckline with the lining. To sew the neckline, I'll sew the neckline and I'm going to insert the illusion in front like this. So remember, this is the illusion I'm going to be adding to it. So I'm going to add it into it and sew the two sides. So this is it after sewing it. Can you see I've turned it out and I've added boning channels to the lining, as you can see. So you can decide to make the lining full or you can decide not to make it full, but this is the method I want to use. I don't want to line the lower part of the corset. I just want it to be like this. Can you see what I have here? Yeah, in case I have a lot of tutorials on how to sew corsets, so I'm going to drop the link to that and I will also drop it up here. I'm just doing like this is just like a vlog, so if you're a beginner, this is just really not for you. So next thing I'm going to do is to add the lower part of the corset, the skirt part of this corset, to this upper side. Remember, I'm not going to be adding lower part to the lining piece, just to the main fabric. So this is the skirt part. I'm going to add it and sew here like that. When I turn it over like this is how it's going to look. Guys, make sure you take out all the pearls, because in fact these pearls takes me almost 1 day to take off from all the places that I'm going to be sewing it. So when you're making corset with this type of fabric, make sure you charge very well, guys. Don't say Lomzy didn't tell you. I told you, I warned you. That can take more than the time you use to construct this corset. So guys, I didn't have enough time when I was making this corset. It was I had very limited time, so I couldn't make full tutorial. That's why I just decided to vlog and show you guys. So guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. By the way, I'm going to be bringing the market vlog, going to buy the things, everything I used for the corset. It was a marathon because I made about three corsets and one ball dress. So I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to be uploading a video on the market vlog. Look out for that, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.